So, welcome back students, Standard 10th Maths, Chapter 8, Introduction to Trigonometry, Part 16. This is the last session of this chapter and we are going to conclude with few objective type of questions. Well, here there are 20 MCQs, but the same question can be asked in other form, like fill in the blank, true or false, or answer in very short. Okay, so let's start them. The first one, if theta is measure of an acute angle such that tan theta is equal to a upon b, then a sin theta minus b cos theta whole upon a sin theta plus b cos theta is equal to dash. So we are supposed to find the value of this expression. And we are given that tan of theta is equal to a upon b. Correct? If you want to find the value of this expression, you need to know the values of sin theta and cos theta. So can you get the value of sin theta and cos theta? I believe very easily. Tan theta is equal to a upon b. Therefore, what is tan theta? Interrelationship, sin theta upon, but instead of upon I write cos theta is to cos theta is equal to a is to b. This gives me sin theta is equal to ak. Suppose sin theta is equal to a times k, then cos theta will be bk. Then cos theta will be bk. Remember, this calculation you don't have to show because these are 1 mark questions. Correct? So you can write the way you want. Now the expression a sin theta. So a into sin theta. The value of sin theta is ak minus b cos theta. So b into cos theta. Well, the cos theta is bk. और नीचे a sin theta plus b cos theta है. a sin theta plus b cos theta. ये माइनस की जगह पे प्लस, बाकी का सेम a into ak b into bk. So that gives me a square k minus b into b square k upon a square k plus b square k. That gives me k common in the numerator. So you have a square minus b square. K common in the denominator as well. So a square plus b square in the bracket. This cancels. So you have a square minus b square upon a square plus b square. That is your answer. So which is the correct answer? B. A square minus b square upon a square plus b square. Correct, children? Chaliye. Moving to the second one. Which of the following is correct for some theta such that theta is greater than equal to 0 less than 90? Children, here 0 and 90 both are included. 0 and 90 both are included. So be careful. Theta is equal to 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree और 90 degree. और उसके बीच भी कोई भी एंगल हो सकते हैं, उसके बीच भी. Okay, because it is greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to 90. So 0 and 90 are included and all the numbers, all theta between 0 and 90. Now the question is, which of the following is correct? कौन सा correct है चार ऑप्शन में से? So 1 upon sec theta is greater than 1. Now if you want to know that, well, first of all we'll see 1 upon sec theta is cos theta. Correct? By interrelationship. Greater than 1. Okay. अभी cos theta की वैल्यू कहां है? Here it is cos theta. Open interval 0 to 1. Cos theta की वैल्यू open interval 0 to 1. But that is when 0 and 90 are not included. But 0 and 90 are included. Theta, angle 0 and 90 are included. So this is not open interval, it becomes closed interval. So 0 and 1 both will be included in the values of cos theta. I hope you have understood. I have discussed about open interval and closed interval in the earlier sessions. Okay. So if 0 and 90 are not included, then it is open interval. If 0 and 90 are included, then here 0 and 1 also would be included. Clear to you? Chaliye. Now cos theta 0 or 1 or any real number between them. लेकिन ये तो greater than 1 है. So greater than 1 तो possible नहीं है. So this is not possible. Okay. Moving on to the next one. Next option. It is 1 upon sec theta. Again 1 upon sec theta is cos theta. और आगे चलो equal to 1. ओके अभी तो वैल्यू है ही हमारे पास. 0 हो सकती है, 1 हो सकती है, एनी रियल नंबर बिटवीन 0 एंड 1 हो सकता है. करेक्ट? तो 1 तो है. सो दिस इज पॉसिबल. दिस इज पॉसिबल चिल्ड्रन. 1 अपॉन सेक थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1 वो हो सकता है. करेक्ट? चलो फिर भी हम लोग बाकी के दो को भी चेक कर लेते हैं. सेक थीटा. ओके यहां सेक थीटा है. सेक थीटा इज इक्वल टू 0. चिल्ड्रन हम यहां देखेंगे सेक थीटा कहां है. सेक थीटा हियर इट इज. सेक थीटा उसकी वैल्यू 0 एंड इंफिनिटी के बीच है. सॉरी इट्स नॉट 0, इट्स 1 और इंफिनिटी के बीच है. बट दैट इज व्हेन 0 डिग्री एंड 90 डिग्री आर नॉट इन्वॉल्व. बट इफ 0 डिग्री एंड 90 डिग्री आर इन्वॉल्व, then that open interval 1 infinity becomes closed interval 1 and infinity. So any real number between 1 and infinity. लेकिन ये तो 0 बता रहा है. 0 तो नहीं आएगा. Value of sec theta will not be 0. It can be 1, it can be infinite or any real number between that. So this is also not possible. Once again the last one. 1 upon cos theta. 1 upon cos theta is sec theta. बना लो. That is less than. आगे चलो less than 1. अब sec theta की वैल्यू हमारे पास यही है. So is it less than 1? No. 1 या infinity or between them, but not less than 1. So this is also not possible. So the correct answer is B. I hope you have understood it. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. 1 upon tan theta. 1 upon tan theta is equal to 1 upon root 5. Then cos x square theta minus sec square theta whole upon cos x square theta plus sec square theta is dash. You are supposed to find the value of this expression. So you need what is cosec and what is sec. अरे children tan है तो वो identity है. I am writing it here. I will need lot of space to do this calculation perhaps. So वो identity 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. हमारे पास वैल्यू tan theta की है. So you can get sec. So let's find out. 1 plus बोलो tan theta is 1 upon root 5. So tan square theta will be square कर दो 1 upon 5. Remember 1 mark का क्वेश्चन है, डायरेक्ट करना पड़ेगा. sec square theta. Now 1 plus 1 upon 5. 5 ones are 5 plus 1 6 upon 5. आप ये अपॉन करके कैलकुलेशन कर लीजिए. That is equal to sec square theta. चलिए चिल्ड्रन आई विल कीप दिस वैल्यू क्योंकि मुझे तो सेक स्क्वायर ही चाहिए. ऑलराइट. अब सेक से हम क्या पा सकते हैं? कॉस. ऑलराइट. सो देयरफॉर आई एम राइटिंग इट हियर. देयरफॉर सेक स्क्वायर इज 6 अपॉन 5. सो कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा इज 5 अपॉन 6. सेक का रेसिप्रोकल कॉस. अब साइन स्क्वायर ढूंढ लो. कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1. What is cos square? 5 upon 6 plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So this gives me sin square theta is equal to 1 minus 5 upon 6. आप प्लीज कैलकुलेशन कर लीजिए. 6 ones are 6, 6 minus 5 1 upon 6. That is sin square theta. अब रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ sin square is cosec square theta. उसका उल्टा कर दीजिए 6. My God. अभी मुझे साइन सेक स्क्वायर और कॉसेक स्क्वायर दोनों की वैल्यू मिल गई है. सो नाउ आई कैन गो फॉर फाइंडिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ द एक्सप्रेशन. आई एम नॉट राइटिंग द एक्सप्रेशन. प्लीज लुक हियर. कॉसेक स्क्वायर व्हाट इज दैट? 6 माइनस सेक स्क्वायर व्हाट इज दैट? 6 अपॉन 5. यस ब्रैकेट एंड देन डिवीजन साइन. कॉसेक स्क्वायर दैट इज 6 प्लस सेक स्क्वायर दैट इज 6 अपॉन 5. दिस इज 6 5s are 30. 30 minus 6 is 24 upon 5 divided by 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 6 36 upon 5. ओके आगे कर लीजिए. 24 upon 5 multiplied by Yes, division is converted into multiplication. So 36 upon 5 का inverse लिखना पड़ेगा. There it is. 5 gone. 6 4s are 6 6s are. Further it can be reduced. 2 2s are 2 3s are. So finally we got 2 upon 3. Do we have that answer? Why not? We should have. A is the answer. Is that clear to you, children? Okay. So moving on to the next one. If theta is measure of an acute angle and 3 sin theta is equal to cos theta, then theta is dash. This should be simple. 3 sin theta is equal to cos theta. Children, एक टर्म ही है लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड, क्रॉस कर दो. √3 is equal to cos theta upon sin theta, i.e. cot theta is equal to √3. करेक्ट. अब cot theta की वैल्यू √3 कहां आती है? चिल्ड्रन, ये तो 1 अपॉन कॉट की वैल्यू है ना. यहां मुझे कॉट थीटा चाहिए तो इसका रेसिप्रोकल करना पड़ेगा. या तो हम एक और चीज कर सकते हैं, कॉट थीटा √3, देयरफॉर tan थीटा. यस, कॉट का रेसिप्रोकल 10 है तो √3 का रेसिप्रोकल 1 अपॉन √3. नाउ यू लुक, tan थीटा की डायरेक्ट वैल्यू √3 कहां है? यहां. कौन सी वैल्यू थीटा की? 60. That gives me theta is equal to 60 degree. This you may write like this. This is equal to, बोलिए 1 upon √3. Sorry, I made mistake children. 1 upon √3 चाहिए मुझे 10 की वैल्यू. 1 upon √3 is here and that is 30. 1 upon √3 is tan 30. So tan and equal. So theta is equal to 30. Did you understand? Good. So theta equal to 30. So answer is A. Got it, children? Moving on to the next one. Number 5. Tan square theta is equal to 8 upon 7. Then find the value of 1 plus sine into 1 minus sine whole upon 1 minus cos into 1 plus cos. Children, please be careful. You have got the value of tan square theta and not tan theta. So you have to be very careful with that value. Fine. जिसकी वैल्यू ढूंढनी है उसमें साइन और कॉस है ना. सो व्हाट टू डू. लेकिन आप एक चीज देखो, यहां सिंप्लीफिकेशन का स्कोप है. 1 प्लस साइन 1 माइनस साइन, એટલે a plus b, a minus b forms. Expansion is a square minus b square. So I'll write that numerator 1 plus sine 1 minus sine. That is 1 square. So I'm writing 1 minus sine square theta whole upon. Same way, x minus y into x plus y. The expansion is x square minus y square. So 1 minus cos into 1 plus cos is 1 square. 1 square is 1. So I'm writing 1 minus cos square theta. My God, square आया. Now यहाँ trigonometric identity. 1 minus sine square is cos square theta. 1 minus cos square is sin square theta. Okay, square square दोनों है. So cos theta upon sin theta whole square. Cos upon sin is cot. Cos upon sin is cot और square है. So I'm writing cot square theta. Are you getting me? चलिए. Therefore, yeah, you have value of 10. So convert this cot into 10. That is 1 upon 10 square theta. That is 1 divided by 10 square की वैल्यू. 10 स्क्वायर की वैल्यू, गलती से इसको 64 अपॉन 49 मत कर देना. 10 स्क्वायर की ही वैल्यू है हमारे पास. So that is 8 upon 7. Convert the division into multiplication. So inverse of 8 upon 7 is 7 upon 8. And this gives me 7 upon 8. Do we have the answer? Why not? We should. Correct? So let's move to the next one. Cot theta is equal to 4 upon 3. Then the value of cos minus sine whole upon cos plus sine is dash. Children, यहां cot theta की वैल्यू यहां 10 स्क्वायर की थी, यहां सिर्फ cot स्क्वायर की नहीं है. Okay, be careful. And the value of this expression we are supposed to find. यहां इसके जैसा सिंप्लीफिकेशन पॉसिबल नहीं है. इट इज ऑलरेडी इन सिंप्लीफाइड फॉर्म. सो क्या करें? तो हम इसका कुछ नहीं होगा सिंप्लीफिकेशन, इसके ऊपर वर्क करें. नाउ इंटर रिलेशनशिप यूज करो. कॉट थीटा इज cos theta upon sin theta. Correct? That is equal to 4 upon 3. Okay, k value. Let cos theta is equal to 4 times k. Then sin theta will be 3 times k. Yes. Now what is the value of cos theta? 4k. So 4k minus value of sin theta 3k. So that is 3k. ऊपर cos थीटा माइनस sin थीटा था तो ये लिखा, नीचे cos थीटा प्लस sin थीटा, सो 4k प्लस 3k. 4k minus 3k is 1k. 4k plus 3k is 7k. k cancel, so ultimately you get 1 upon 7. So here is the answer B. All right, clear to you? Moving ahead, cosec of A is equal to 4 upon 3. One more condition, A plus B equal to 90. That means A and B are complementary angles, children. Complementary angles. Correct? Total measure is 180. Then what is the value of sec B? Sec B. चलिए चिल्ड्रन, जब कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री की बारी आई है तो ऑलराइट, जो वैल्यू दी है वही मैं ले लेता हूं, cosec A. Alright, this value I will take. Cosec A is equal to 4 upon 3. Now be careful. What is complementary of cosec? Sec. And what is complementary of A? B. That is equal to 4 upon 3. अरे बाप रे, मुझे तो सीधी ही वैल्यू मिल गई, सीधा वैल्यू मिल गया sec B का 4 upon 3. So here it is. Just using complementary of cosec sec and complementary of AB. So sec B is equal to 4 upon 3 because cosec A is sec B. Clear to you, children? Okay. Moving on to the next one. If tan A is equal to 5 upon 12, then the value of sin A plus cos A into sec A is dash. Okay, you have the value of tan A, not tan square like the first one. और first one में जो simplification हुआ, ऐसा simplification possible है. So we'll go for the simplification first. Sin A plus cos A. Yeah, now into sec A. But sec is 1 upon cos A. So नीचे cos A आएगा. I hope you understood. If you multiply by 1 upon cos A नीचे. Now split the term. This is sin upon cos A plus cos A upon cos A. Right? Sin upon cos A is tan A plus 1. Tan A is 5 upon 12 plus 1. 12 plus 1, 13. 13 plus 5, 18. 13 plus, 12 ones are 12. 12 plus 5 is 17 and 17 upon 12. Children, आप इतना काम कर लेना. So here is 17 upon 12. Answer is C. I hope children you all are getting it well. Okay. Now this question can be in the form of fill in the blank also. Then the answer is 17 upon 12. Alright. Even this can be asked in the form of fill in the blank. This all four can be asked in the form of fill in the blank. No option may be given. आपको इस तरीके से calculation करना होगा. You will have to calculate that. Correct? Yes. Alright children. So we proceed further. The ninth one, as you see here, tan theta is equal to 4 upon 3. Then the value of square root of 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus sin theta is dash. Children, you need sin theta, correct? If you want to find the value of this expression, you should know what is the value of sin theta. Now, value of tan theta is given. Earlier in this chapter, we learned if value of one trigonometric ratio is given, you can find the remaining. Let's use that method. Okay. I'll draw right triangle. This is theta. Okay. A, B, C. Alright. Now tan theta is equal to 4 upon 3. That is equal to opposite side. Okay. With respect to theta, this is opposite side. This is hypotenuse and this is adjacent side. Right? So with respect to theta, opposite side is AB upon adjacent side is BC. So you can say let AB equal to 4K. AB is equal to 4K. I'm going to write here directly 4K. then BC will be 3K. Now use Pythagoras to find AC. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. चलिए, AB is 4K, so square of 4K will be 16K square. BC is 3K, so square of 3K will be 9K square. That gives me 25K square. Therefore, AC square is 25K square. So taking square root on both sides, that gives me AC is equal to 5K. So here AC is equal to 5K. Now what you need is sine theta. So sine theta is equal to opposite side, that is AB, upon hypotenuse, that is AC. Opposite side is 4K and hypotenuse is 5K. So sine theta is equal to 4 upon 5. Now sine theta is 4 upon 5, but the whole story is still left. Square root of 1 upon sine theta whole upon 1 plus sine theta. चलिए मैं यहां करता हूं. That is equal to square root of 1 minus 4 upon 5 whole upon 1 plus 4 upon 5. That is square root of 5 ones are 5, 5 minus 4, 1. 1 upon 5 whole upon 5 ones are 5, 5 plus 4, 9. 9 upon 5. So 5 cancels. So you have square root of 1 upon 9. What is square root of 1? 1. And square root of 9? 3. So answer is 1 upon 3. Where is the answer? B. 1 upon 3. Clear to you? Good. Moving on to the next one. In triangle ABC, if angle ABC is 90, angle ACB is 45 and AC equal to 6, then the area of triangle ABC. You are supposed to find the area of triangle. Do you remember the formula to find area of triangle? You should. Area of triangle is half into base into altitude. But here it will be slightly different because triangle is right triangle. Let me draw the figure, children. Right triangle. And angle B is 90. So this is B. Let's call this A and this is C. Children, angle ACB. Where is ACB? ACB. This one is 45. Oh children, it's very important here. 90 पता है, ये 45 पता है, तो तीसरा भी ढूंढ लो. That is also 45. That is interesting. In the same triangle, if two angles are equal, then opposite sides are also equal. C के सामने AB, angle A के सामने BC. They are equal. Okay, आगे क्या दिया है? AC is 6. This hypotenuse is 6. ये दो पता नहीं है. So I can call it X. और ये भी X because they are equal. Alright? अब area of triangle ABC का सोच ले. Area of triangle ABC is equal to half into base BC into altitude AC. That is half into X. That is half X square. So if you want to find area of triangle ABC, you should know the value of X square. You can get that using Pythagoras. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC is given 6. 6 square is 36. AB is X. AB square will be X square. BC is X. So BC square will be X square. I.e. 2 times X square is equal to 36. 2 1s are 2 18s are. So X square is equal to 18. That is very interesting. Direct X square की value मिल गई. So area of triangle ABC, which is half into X square. For X square I am writing 18. 2 1s are 2 9s are. So area of triangle is 9. So here it is. Answer is C. Clear to you? Okay. Moving on to the next one. We have to just find the value of X in this equation. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Right hand side में X है और उसकी value चाहिए. We have the known angles, regular angles, special angles. So we can find out cos square 45. So square of cos 45 minus cos square 30. So square of cos 30 is equal to x into cos 45. I'll put the value into sin 45. I'll put the value. Let's see the value now. Cos 45. Cos yahan, 45 yahan. 1 upon root 2. So this is 1 upon root 2. Then cos 30. Cos or 30 root 3 by 2. ये cos 30 की वैल्यू. Then cos 45 चाहिए यहां. Cos और 45 that is 1 upon root 2. Then you want sin 45. Sin की वैल्यू देखो 45 that is also 1 upon root 3. Root 2 sorry yeah. Square of 1 is 1. Square of root 2 is 2. Minus square of root 3 is 3. Square of 2 is 4. That is equal to x into 1 into 1 is 1. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. LCM 4. Now 2 2s are or 4 1s are. Alright. Now this 2 into 1 is 2. 1 into 3 is 3. That is equal to x upon 2. Therefore, 2 minus 3 is minus 1 upon 4 is equal to x upon 2. Cross करो. Minus 2 upon 4. 2 वहां गया. Alternando is equal to x. 2 1s are 2 2s are. i.e. x is equal to minus half. Minus half. See, you can find the answer there. Correct? Alright. Chaliye then. We'll proceed further. The number is 12. A and B are complementary angles. Then sin A into sec B is dash. Once again, A plus B is equal to 90. So they are complementary. Let's see. Sin A into sec B. Chalo, sin ko convert karo. What is complementary of sin? Yes, cos. And what is complementary of A? It is B into sec B. Cos B into sec B, interrelationship. They are reciprocal of each other, so it is 1. So what is sin A into cos B? 1. Here it is. Got it, children? That's good. Okay. Let's move ahead. 13th. The value of tan 20, tan 25 into tan 45 into tan 65 into tan 70 is dash. Children, this is special angle. That value is 1. Okay? Now, let me tell you, tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. Interrelationship. Now, this is what? Cot. यदि इसको मैं कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री कर दूं तो tan का कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री cot और यहां 90 माइनस थीटा, थीटा का कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री इनटू cot थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1. एक चीज नोटिस करिए, cot into cot also can be 1 if the angles are complementary. तो आप देखो यहां tan 20 into 20 का कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री है 70. So tan 20 into tan 70. tan into tan is also 1 if this angles are complementary. ये नया, this is new value that we have derived. हमें तो ऐसा पता है cot theta into tan theta is 1. लेकिन cot theta into cot what? इसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री, या tan theta into tan what? इसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री. तो ये दोनों का कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री है. 70 and 20 का कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री. सो tan 20 into tan 70 is 1. सो ये a उसका 1 आया. सो मल्टीप्लाई करो क्योंकि सब मल्टीप्लाई है. अब क्या बचा है? tan 25 और tan 65. अरे भाई 25 plus 65 is 90. So they are also complementary. So tan 25 into tan 65 is also 1. या आप एक स्टेप कर सकते हैं, ये ऑब्जेक्टिव है सो आपको डायरेक्ट करना पड़ेगा. 10 का कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री cot और 25 का कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री 65. सो cot 65 into tan 65 is 1. सेम. सो ये भी 1. 1 into 1 into 1 is equal to 1. So answer is B, 1. Got it, children? I hope that is okay for you. Let's proceed further. If 7 theta and 2 theta are measures of acute angles, they are acute angles less than 90, such that sine of 7 theta is equal to cos of 2 theta, then find the value of this. Your angle is 3 theta. 3 theta. Okay. So first you will have to find the value of theta, and that you will get from here. Sine of 7 theta is equal to cos of 2 theta. All right, साइन का कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री बना लीजिए cos, और 7 थीटा का कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री 90 माइनस 7 थीटा, दैट इज इक्वल टू cos 20. Correct? Now cos and equal, so these angles are equal, so 90 minus 7 theta is equal to 2 theta. 7 theta वो बाजू ले जाओ, 90 is equal to 2 theta plus 7 theta, so 9 theta is 90, 9 ones are 9 tens are, so theta is equal to 10. अब आप वैल्यू ढूंढ सकते हो. 2 into डायरेक्ट कर रहा हूं मैं, 3 in 3 theta, what is theta? 10, so 3 tens are 30, so 2 into sine 30 minus root 3 into, बोलिए 3 theta, 3 into 10, that will 3 into 10 is 30, so 10 30. Now put the value 2 into, आपको sin 30 की वैल्यू चाहिए भाई, you should know that by heart. चलो sin और 30, the value is half, so this is half minus root 3 into 10. 10 की वैल्यू यहां से डायरेक्ट मिलेगी, आपको चाहिए 10 30, 30 यहां है, it is 1 upon root 3. चलिए root 3 cancels, 2 cancels, so 1 minus 1 and that is 0, so answer is B. Got it? Fine, good. All right children, now here A plus B is equal to 90, then value of this expression is dash. Children, हमारे पास ऑप्शन में 3 आंसर्स एंगल A वाले हैं, so let's transform every angle B into A, because A plus B is equal to 90, so yes, B is complementary of A. चलिए cot A, मुझे A चाहिए, so I'll put cot A only. अब इसकी बारी, डायरेक्ट लिख रहा हूं, कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री ऑफ cot is 10 एंड कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री ऑफ B is A. आगे चलो, ये प्लस है, cot A, यस A वाले को डिस्टर्ब नहीं करेंगे, 10 का कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री cot और B का कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री A, होल अपॉन साइन A, एंगल A है, सो साइन A को डिस्टर्ब नहीं करेंगे, इनटू sec का कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री cosec और एंगल B का कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री A. cot A into tan A is 1, cot square plus cot into cot is cot square A, whole upon sin A into cosec A is 1. Now you have 1 plus cot square, 1 plus cot square is cosec square A. Children, ये तो हम भूल ही गए, राइट? माइनस B वाले को कन्वर्ट करो, साइन का कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री cos स्क्वायर B, सॉरी B बिकम्स A अपॉन cos स्क्वायर A. इसको अभी मैं कैंसिल कर रहा हूं. ओके, सो दिस कैंसल, सो यू गॉट -1. सो व्हाट यू गॉट? 1 प्लस cos स्क्वायर A -1 plus 1 minus 1. So answer is cot square A. Here it is, cot square A. All right. All right, so we finished 15. Moving on to 16th one. For triangle ABC, sine of B plus C equal to dash. This is very simple. B plus C by 2 is equal to A by 2. And sorry, plus 90 होगा. A plus B by 2 प्लस C बाई 2 इज इक्वल टू 90. उसको मैंने स्प्लिट कर दिया 2 पार्ट में, क्योंकि आपको यह पता है A प्लस B प्लस C बाई 2 इज इक्वल टू 90, क्योंकि इसका पूरा 180 डिवाइड बाई 2. ऑलराइट, तो देख लीजिए, साइन ऑफ B प्लस C बाई 2. व्हाट इज कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री ऑफ साइन? कॉसेक, सॉरी, कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री इज कॉस. एंड व्हाट इज कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री ऑफ B प्लस C बाई 2? A बाई 2. So sine of B plus C by 2 is equal to cos of A by 2. Here it is. Got it, children? Let's see the next one. 17th. Sine raised to 4 theta minus cos raised to 4 theta upon sine square theta minus cos square theta is equal to dash. Alright? Children, numerator, if you observe it, it is of the form A square minus B square. So you can get the two factors. One fact, okay, but it degree is 4. So this is sine square theta whole square for sin raised to 4 minus cos raised to 4, that is cos square theta whole square upon sin square theta minus cos square theta. चलिए, this is a, this is b, या this is x, this is y. X square minus y square, that is x plus y into x minus y. X plus y, that will be sin square plus sin square, I'm writing short forms, cos square into sin square minus cos square whole upon sin square minus cos square. This is gone. Now sin square theta plus cos square theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta which you got is equal to 1. So answer is 1. Clear? Okay. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Value of 7 cos square theta plus 3 sin square theta is 4. Or you have one equation and you are supposed to find the value of cot theta. Let's pick up this. 7, I'm using short form, cos square plus 3 sin square is equal to 4. Children, let's transform this cos into sin. Therefore, 7 into, what is cos square? 1 minus sin square. That is equal, it's plus 3 sin square is equal to 4. Distribute karo, 7 ones are 7 minus 7 into sin square is 7 sin square plus 3 sin square is equal to 4. Now this is minus 4 sin square. 4 minus 7. So minus 4 sin square is minus 3. Minus minus becomes plus. So sin square theta is equal to 3 upon 4. Taking square root on both sides. So sin theta, theta ही है, that is equal to root 3 upon 2. आपको cot theta की वैल्यू ढूंढनी है. So therefore theta यहां से मिल जाने वाला है आपको. Sin theta root 3 by 2, that is 60. Sin theta is root 3 by 2. For theta equal to 60. Sin theta is root 3 by 2. So theta is 60. So now you can find out cot theta. Cot theta, that is cot 60. देख लीजिए अब cot. Children, cot 60 रेसिप्रोकल मिलेगा. बी केयरफुल. 60 यहां और यहां 1 अपॉन cot की वैल्यू या 10 की वैल्यू मिलेगी. व्हाट इज 10 60 रूट 3. तो रेसिप्रोकल करो 1 अपॉन रूट 3. So that is 1 upon root 3. So answer is D. I hope that is clear. Okay, moving ahead. Number 9. Children, अभी मैंने बताया था कि tan alpha into tan 90 minus alpha is equal to 1. tan और tan, तो ये दोनों एंगल एक दूसरे के कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री होंगे. Are you getting me? Cos alpha into, उसका रेसिप्रोकल सेक है. सॉरी, cos into cos, cos ही रखेंगे. सॉरी, हाँ, cos के साथ साइन आएगा. एनीवे, जस्ट लुक हियर. cot बीटा into cot 90 minus बीटा इज इक्वल टू 1. तो यहां 10 into 10 इज इक्वल टू 1. उसका मतलब कि ये दोनों एंगल कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री है. 5 theta plus 4 theta is equal to 90. So 9 theta is equal to 90. 9 ones are 9 tens are. So theta is equal to 10. Here it is. Got it, children? Good. Yes, the last objective. A and B are measures of acute angles. Tan A is equal to 1 upon root 3. Sin B is equal to 1 upon 2. Then what is the value of cos of A plus B? आपको A की वैल्यू चाहिए, B की वैल्यू चाहिए, देन cos ऑफ A प्लस B करके ढूंढ सकते हैं. अब A की वैल्यू यहां से मिलेगी. tan ऑफ A इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन रूट 3. देख लीजिए ना, tan की वैल्यू यहां, 1 अपॉन रूट 3 यहां. एंगल A इज 30. दिस इंप्लाइज एंगल A इज 30 डिग्री. चलिए नेक्स्ट, साइन ऑफ B, एंगल B है यहां, that is equal to 1 upon 2. This implies B is equal to, देखते हैं साइन की वैल्यू यहां और 1 upon 2 यहां. कौन सा B है, थीटा कौन सा है, एंगल कौन सा है, 30. So your B equal to 30. Now it's easy. cos of A plus B is equal to cos of, what is A? 30 plus B 30. That is equal to cos 60. And what is cos 60? Alright, cos or 60, that is 1 upon 2. So that is half. So answer is B. I hope you have understood, children. So we finished objectives as well. I had requested you to send your queries, but no one has so far asked me any doubts. But one child, Swayam, he discovered one question where I wrongly put the value of cos 0. The question was this: cos 0 into cos 1 into cos 2 into cos 89 is equal to dash. I told you 1 mark question can be asked. Now by mistake I said cos 0 is equal to 0. Into kuch bhi ho, the answer would be 0. No, here cos 0 is not 0, it is 1 into cos 1 into cos 2 dot 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 cos 89. Ab cos 1 is sin 89, but sin and cos are not reciprocal. So इसका कोई आंसर नहीं आएगा. 1 into ये पूरे टर्म्स रहेंगे. हाँ, 0 में आप साइन के साथ कर सकते हो. Sin 0, sorry, this is 0. Sin 0 into sin 1 into sin 2 into sin 89. Now sin 0 is 0. So into whatever kuch bhi ho, the answer is 0. Is that clear to you? So I hope this is also clear. Now in the previous session I had declared that on Sunday you will have 30 marks test of this chapter, trigonometry, correct? Chapter number 8. I'm going to ask you 10 questions of 2 marks each. Alright? So that makes 20 plus 10 question objective. Those objective questions aren't going to be in the form of MCQs. They will be in other forms as well. MCQ, fill in the blank, true or false, match the column, in any form. But there will be 1 mark question each and 10 questions would be there. So 20 plus 10, 30 marks. Yes, definitely the time will be 7 p.m. in the evening on Sunday. That is 27, Sunday is 26th of July. Okay? So please be well prepared. I talked about giving you assignment, but since you have to prepare this chapter, right now I'll give you assignment of this chapter and then first chapter and sixth chapter. Alright? From Monday you will get assignment of first chapter. But abhi I'll give you assignment of this chapter only because you all have test on Sunday. So now we will meet in the new chapter, new session. That will be part 1. Till then, goodbye.